Do you ever wonder which tool is better for organizing your thoughts? Today, we're diving into Notion versus Dynalist. Both of these tools help you manage your ideas and tasks. They offer ways to create notes, lists, and plans. But how do they compare when you dig deeper? Let's start with Notion. This tool is all about flexibility. You can create pages for anything you want. It combines notes, databases, and even calendars. You can customize it to fit your style. Many people love its clean design and how easy it is to share with others. Now, let's talk about Dynalist. This tool focuses on outlining. It's perfect for people who like to organize their thoughts in a structured way. You can create bullet points and subpoints easily. Dynalist helps you see the big picture while keeping details organized. So, what are the main differences? Notion is more versatile. It's great for all kinds of projects. Dynalist is simpler and better for outlining tasks. If you want to organize complex ideas, Dynalist might be your choice. But if you prefer a more all in one tool, Notion could be better for you. When it comes to features, Notion offers templates, collaboration tools, and a variety of content types. Dynalist shines with its outlining capabilities and keyboard shortcuts. Both have mobile apps, but Notion has more features on the go. Pricing is also a factor. Notion has a free version, but the paid plans offer more features. Dynalist also has a free tier, but its premium plan is quite affordable. In the end, if you need a flexible workspace, go for Notion. If you want a straightforward outlining tool, choose Dynalist. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.